There we're seeing some rotation. Here's some other little clouds over here spinning around. This is awesome.
Really strong rotation up there down here. Like right by Don Schmidt. It's alright, there ain't nothing touching the going down yet. It's spinning. Is it telling us iron down now? Just call your brother. Alright. Oh, good. Well, I'll call you something else then, alright?
God, this rain is just, I've never seen anything like it do that.
That's crazy. It's freaking all around us right now.
But you can see the rain rotate.
I know. That motherfucker don't drop like on top.
It ain't gonna drop on top of us.
It's still rotating pretty good out here.
Look at the rain.
Whoa, dude, this is a big